Hey folks, what's up? Mike Benton here from the Mike Benton team. How are you doing today? This video is on a topic that we're seeing more and more and more with estates. As you know, for the last 28 plus years, we focus and specialize on estates and probates throughout the state of Maryland. And we're having this question pop up a lot when one of the attorneys we work with refers us to a client or they find us on social media. They go, "Hey, my mom, my dad, my aunt, my uncle, whomever it may be, has a reverse mortgage. What does that mean?" Well, number one is we're not experts in reverse mortgages. Now, we do have people we can refer you to that are licensed and they deal with reverse mortgages on a regular basis, but we do know the overall picture of how it works. And especially since we didn't stay in the Holiday Inn Express last night, there's no way we're an expert with this. All right, maybe that wasn't that funny, but we tried. So here's four key areas. Number one, how does it work? Reverse mortgage, it has a lot of negative conversations sometimes about it. But for those individuals that are struggling to make ends meet, this is one way that they can stay in their home. Not having that mortgage payment is huge for a lot of seniors. And this is one way to do it. There's no monthly payments. The payments and fees come out of the equity. Number two, the property ownership remains with the owner. They don't give it to somebody else. It remains theirs. Those are the two big ones of why somebody looks into a reverse mortgage. Key rules. The home must stay the primary residence for that individual. It can't be a rental. They can't move in some other place and give it to a family member. It's got to be their primary residence. They got to maintain it. They got to keep it up. They can't let it fall apart. They must pay all the property taxes, all the fees that come, outside of the mortgage or any of the costs to the house. They got to maintain, not the mortgage, but they have to maintain everything else. Families. This is a non-recourse protection. That means that they can't come after you as an heir. All right. Also, the family has to understand that the equity does decrease with fees and interest and all that over time. So when a family member does this, they're doing it because they have to. Let's just unless you're going to step in and start paying their bills and all that good stuff, sometimes individuals don't have direct family. So the equity, it's going to decrease over time. And I've seen some 100% upside down, 100%. So options for the heirs, all right? They could sell the home and keep whatever's equities left. So I want to stop right there. If you're in a situation where a loved one has a reverse mortgage and you're an heir, you're an executor, they have passed, whatever it may be, give us a call. We can do a CMA for you and show you what the market is saying the value of the home is in its current condition. A lot of times with these homes, the condition is good, but it's not been updated to today's times. So the carpet might be original, the bathrooms haven't been updated, light fixtures. So, all of that affects the value. So give us a call so we can tell you the facts. I just did one today for somebody, and that's what made me think about this video. The family, the heirs can pay off the loan or 95% of their appraised value. They can pay off the loan, whatever has occurred since a family member took it, put it into a reverse mortgage, or 95% of the appraised value, either or. So let me reiterate, we are not reverse mortgage experts. We know about them. We understand them. We can talk the lingo, but more importantly, we do know experts that we can refer you to. All right. They're licensed, they're insured. This is what they do. Not all reverse mortgages are created equal. So you need to understand that. So when you get a chance, give us a call because we really want you to experience the benefits. God bless you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.